is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. If you love Louis Vuitton, this is it. This is a great accessory. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Carmen. Let's get into it, okay? Today I am going to be letting you know about Louis. Yes, Louis Vuitton. It is something that I decided to get for myself. So let's get it open. And yes, comes in the bag. So there it is. It's beautiful. Yes, it is gorgeous. It's a beautiful, gorgeous accessory for your iPhone. Let me tell you exactly what size. It's about 3 by 6 by 0.08. Yes. You have your details at each corner because, of course, you know what it is. It's the eye trunk for the iPhone X. Alright? So your gold details in all 4 corners. Then small gold studs go all the way around each edge. You have a lock that is functional. And then this is the back. Okay. That's the back. Okay, this is the front. Yeah. Alright, so let me give you some information on this beautiful, beautiful accessory. Functional lock, like I said, removable leather strap for shoulder or crossbody use. It is the monogram, reverse monogram. I love it. I absolutely love the reverse monogram because it's the lighter brown. If you like the regular monogram, it does come in that color for your iPhone X. Okay, and then it has microfiber lining, and that is on the inside. That's what your phone touches, and you won't be able to see it. And then, of course, as I stated, the gold shiny pieces, and it's either made in Paris or Spain. Okay, but it is a beautiful piece. Here it is, and if you lift that tab up, it breaks up into 2 parts. Okay, so here's your first part. Here's your second part. Okay, that's how there's 2 parts to this phone case. And then the microfiber lining is smooth to the touch. Okay, and then you just put it back together. Close that lock up to make it secure, and then you're ready to go. It's easy. This to this. Which one would you choose? I would choose this one. I want to share with you. Yeah, the little damage. It's just a little damage. It runs for a little bit over $1,300. Including tax, so we're going to get probably like a little over $1,400. But it's super cute accessory. It's something that, you know, it's nice. I like it. It's just beautiful to touch, beautiful to look at. It's beautiful. This right here are the straps. They come out. There you go. Let me show you. See how that comes out? And then this comes out right here, and you put the strap right here and here. And the strap is pretty long. And the reasoning I believe that they have the strap is because it is a little heavy. You gotta learn how to do a little arm work, okay? Especially when you're doing your selfies, it requires some arm work. I don't know if I personally wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it around because of how you snap it on and then it's just dangling there. No, this is not a purse. So this is my iPhone and I want to carry it in my hand. But it's an option. It's an option if you want to use that, go right ahead. So here it is with the strap. Right? I'm 5'4" and well really I'm 5'3.5". Or if you'd like, you can wear it around in the front, or you can wear it as the crossbody. Thank you for watching. Make sure, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell for as soon as that I upload a new video, you'll get it right away. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.